So I am made to do my eighth experiment. So my eighth experiment is this is like simulation of a loader. So my aim is to have the concept of an absolute loader. So I'll go to the code. So here, like we are creating a class called absolute, and we are giving the strings like as program name is all other strings, integer variables I, j, and standard address one. We are using the void display, and inside the try, like we are creating a buffer reader br, and we are creating a buffer reader. So we are printing the to print the entire program name, and this program name and buffer, it will read the buffer read through the read line and give it the program name, and we will create a file, that is file f, and the location of the file will be is the load.txt, that is this file. And after that, if the long size will get, the file length it will store in the long size, it will be in the long size. And if the size is less than d, that is if the size, if d is less than the size, it will like s is equal to fr dot read line function. And if the character is 0, it will be equal to h, and object name equal to s dot substring 2 comma 8. This means that the strings which are from 2 to 8, the that name strings will be go passed into object name, and in the position of 0 it will store h, and here it will print the object name file from this object name, that is from here it will be printed here. And we create a pointer that is a pass to d, and if the program name is equal to the object name, and if the size is less than the d size, what is fr dot read the line, that is this is the file length, and it will read the line. And if the character, like it is similarly if it is t, and if the substring is 2 comma 8, means that the strings which are between 2 and 8 will be passed to the standard address. And if the standard address one is equal to integer dot pass into standard address, that is this standard address functions passed into the string address one. And if while s dot character address of I is not equal to s, and it is like I of not equal to power, it will print the standard address plus the character of I plus character of I plus 1, and like similarly, and it will go to I plus 2, else I plus plus. And if the character of 0 equal to e, and d is equal to fr of getLine find pointer, that is we have already created from here, it will print that enter the correct print line statement will be there, and exceptions, it will catch all the exceptions. And this will, and here it is the class which I creating, and we will call all the display function, and we will call it. So here the main thing is that we should create the buffer, and we should create a program, and we should read that program, and we should create a new file, and the file was in load.txt. We should find the length, and we should run the condition, and finally like we should create a standard address, and we should have a substring of 2 to 8, and that substring will be passed to the standard address. Similarly, this will be the condition, and it will print the address, and address, and this is the exception case. And so lastly we will call the like absolute and display function. So I will run the program. So enter the program name, I'll give you a sample. So this is my output. So this is the loader. So this is my eighth experiment of compiler. Thank you.